So you've started your hustle. I'm assuming that you have, and maybe it's the perfume oil business, the thrift business, food business, or even the dishwash we talked about in our previous video. But now you're wondering, how do I actually get people to buy from me? Because let's be honest, guys, if you don't market it well, you will just have stock sitting there looking at you, right? So in today's video, I'm going to show you simple and realistic ways to market your hustle. Even if you're shy or you don't have money for sponsored ads, trust me, I'm talking free tools, real strategies, and a little bit of ginger. So let's just get into it, okay?
Ryan Little.
Now, the first on my list would be for you to use WhatsApp like a shop. Yes, WhatsApp is not just for gossip. No, it's not just for monitoring what is happening in other people's lives, trying to find out who has blocked you and who has not blocked you. It is actually a low-key, powerful tool for marketing. See, post your products on your status daily. Not in a spammy way or like you're just spamming people, but be consistent. And please don't just post the product pictures, okay? Add context, all right? Say something like, oh, I just restocked on this scent. Who is ready to smell expensive on a budget? Or, guys, I made these myself today. It smells really fresh, it cleans very well, and it is gentle on the skin. DM to order your own wash. You know, just something like that. See, let me tell you something for free. And I want you to actually write this one down, yes? Get your pen, your notepad, whatever, write it somewhere, okay? People buy things from you based on emotions and connections, okay? If your vibe is strong, you will definitely sell. And if someone buys from you, please post their feedback, okay? Let other people see that you're legit. That's something that works really well. You know, just take a screenshot, something, post something, let people know that you're not just making noise and saying, oh, buy from me, buy from me. Even if it's one person that bought from you and the person bought just 1 cent, post it. See, talk about it, post on your WhatsApp status. It really helps. If they don't buy today, they will buy tomorrow. It's just what it is. People will not always need cents from you every single day, but at least when you're consistent, they know that you are there. So when they eventually need it, they come back to you because they know that you are there regardless of whether they bought from you in the past or not. Okay? Okay. Number 2, guys, content is marketing. You see that Instagram reels that you always see. It's not only for dancing, okay? It's not only for shaking yash and just, you know, skit makers making comedy and all of that. If you run a business, you need to start using your Instagram reels, okay? You don't even have to show your face all the time. Sometimes what you need to do is to show us process videos like how I package and order, you know, how I style my thrift jeans, or, you know, testing out this perfume oil on my wrist versus on my clothes, you know, just something. You can also use the trending sounds to make it pop. There are always songs that are popping every day, trending every day. See, people will find you through Explore page. And please make sure to reply to your comments, okay? Don't be that person. People will comment, you just leave it hanging. No, make sure to reply, okay? And also make sure to use Nigerian relevant hashtags because you are here in Nigeria, okay? Tag your location if you're doing delivery or pickup. You know, tell people, oh, I'm currently in Lekki, I'm currently here, so they know where you are before you now start charging them for delivery fee and all of that. All of these little things help your business, okay? Now, the next on my list would actually be word of mouth. Okay, guys, let me tell you, word of mouth is still king. Don't ever underestimate your inner circle. Except you are around nonsense people when not help your life, okay? You need to tell your friends, tell your family members, your church members, your office people. Let them know what you are selling. Let them know what you are selling. And if someone buys from you and the person loves it, politely, keyword, politely ask them to tell a friend or even post it on their pages, you know, and tag your business page, and make sure to give them a little discount on their next order, you know, just as some type of incentive, okay? And if 10 people post your hustle, you already know what that means. That's 10 times the exposure for free. For free. You did not pay for it, okay? You did not give any influencer money to post your business. No. 10 genuine people that have tried your product, posted it for you on their status, because at the end of the day, your customer might also be one of their contact members. So don't ever underestimate it, all right? Word of mouth. Open your mouth and talk. You need to talk. You can't be shy. Otherwise, you go just broke. And you already know the reason we started this series in the first place. It's for us to level up, okay? It's for us to make sure that we're not at anybody's mercy, wanting one urgent 2K, urgent 1K. That shouldn't be you at all, because guys, it's June already, okay? This is the 6th month of the year. And if by this time you still don't know what you're doing, then we might need to just wash your head. We need to wash your head. The next thing you want to take note of is the fact that packaging is part of marketing. I'll say that again. Packaging is part of marketing. And let me tell you, packaging doesn't have to be expensive, but make it neat, be intentional. Look, a very cute little sticker, a handwritten thank you note, or even wrapping it properly can make someone post your order just because it looks nice. You know how you give somebody a gift and it's just too cute, you don't even want to open it. You're like, oh, no, I need to take a picture of this. I need to show people what this looks like. That's what packaging can do for you. Okay, so don't be that person that just use sellotape to band-aid the life of the nylon. Even if you must use a nylon, make sure that you do it neatly, with the sellotape. Don't, no, and guys, I used to be that person before. Like, just thinking about it now, oh my goodness, when I'm sending out my food orders, guy, I go sellotape the life. I go sellotape the life. And it just never looked cute. It's just the food sweet, so my customers no dey reject am, but that packaging, e no dey okay. And so at some point, I had to figure out a better way to sort of present my food. I still use nylon, yes, and of course, because it's food, I have to use cling film and all of that, but it's a bit neat. And now I have this brown paper bag that I put my fish in. When people order my fish, I don't just put it in the nylon. No, wrap it before people put it in the nylon. That's what I used to do before. I'm guilty. But I'm telling you guys that just didn't work. So at some point, you would need to level up on your game. Find something, improve. Okay, yeah, improve. Now, number 5, it will be me telling you to sell with stories, not just with prices. And I'll explain what I mean. Okay, look, instead of just saying 5,000 naira per piece, you need to tell me why I should care. Why should I care that the product is 5,000 naira? For example, don't just say screen guard for 1,000. Say something like, are you tired of cracked screens? This guard is clear, it is durable, and it comes with free installation just for 1,000. I mean, do you see the difference? It's 1,000 naira per piece. Buy because of this and this and this and this. I hope, are you getting it? Are you getting it? Because I not really know whether I go use the blackboard wey I don buy, so that I go dey write more and they take note at this point. Because even when I finish talking, some people will still come and be asking me, better, we don't understand what you have just said. But I want to think that I'm a very good teacher. Except people are saying otherwise. Just be emotional. It's a product, yes, but don't just treat it as a product. Say, oh, this product now, which problem this product dey solve? Then you put that problem first before the price. Don't just put the price, because the price sef fit just fear person. Don't just say it's 5,000. No, first tell them what they will benefit when they pay the 5,000. I swear, I don't really know as I want to explain this thing again, but I hope you get it, because at the end of the day, people respond better to benefits than just the prices. Okay, so sell the feeling, not just the products. Sell the feeling. I hope you guys get it. I truly hope you do. Now, the next step would be for you to run promos or giveaways. Look, by running promos or giveaways, you don't have to actually give out your whole stock. Just something like, oh, first 3 people to order, you get a free gift, or tag 2 friends and win a mini perfume oil. Just things like that. They help build buzz for your business. Okay, but just make sure that at the end of the day, you're still making profits, because that's the reason you're here, okay? And you clearly need to explain the rules when you're saying all these things. Don't just put it out there, first 5 people, you win this. No, explain the rules. Make sure they understand. If they have to follow you first, if they have to tag a page first, if they have to like something, make sure that the rules of the game or whatever it is that you're doing is clear enough for people that, want to participate, so there's no confusion at the end of the day. But again, like I said, make sure you're making profits. Okay, that's the main cocoa. Just make sure you make profits. Okay, now for this particular one, this next one, I need you to use your voice. You see, you need to use your voice on TikTok, on Instagram lives, or even voice notes. Okay, see, let me tell you, sometimes people just need to hear you speak. So you can do like a TikTok or Instagram live talking about your products and just how you started. Nothing serious, oh, just gist with people, connect. People connect with human beings, not just your logos or the product and all of these things. They need to know what you are like. Are you a nice person? Do you like smiling? People watch me because they like how I smile, because they like how I bend my nose and all of that. Okay, little things actually make people get drawn to you, and when they are drawn to you, they will buy the product that you are trying to sell to them. So you need to act on that. Okay, don't dull. Even sending voice notes to people asking them about your product can actually convert them faster than typing. Let them hear your passion. Hello, hi, I know you bought my drink last week. You bought the Zobo from Better's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed it. Just reaching out, to say thank you and also to remind you that we've made a fresh batch, of our drinks, just in case you're looking for something to keep you refreshed this week. Sound sweet. Even if you have husky voice, train your voice. Not be that nonsense voice you go tell you send voice no give person. Not go let your voice now pursue customer because we are trying to drag them in. If your voice get as e be, tell person make help you do the voice note. Okay, not use your not go spoil business with your voice. Not do am. Not do am. I take God beg you. Okay, guys, marketing your hustle is not just about shouting or being everywhere at once. It's actually about being intentional. You need to show up online, offline, and just give people a reason to trust you. See, trust is really key in business. Okay? So tell me in the comments, which of these tips are you going to try first? I mean, after all these things I've said, which one are you going to try first? Or do you actually have a marketing hack that has worked for you before? Please share in the comments because we can also learn from you. All right? And please do not forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't done that already. Send this to your friend that needs to step up their hustle game because, again, by this time of the year, we should already be making it. Even if not big, but at least start somewhere. Okay, and yes, I'm waiting for my thank yous in the comment section because of course I'm hoping that this video is useful to a good number of you. All right, and please make sure to even package my own order. Yes, package that your product that you're selling and send it to me. I want to check something. Yeah, make I check something. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you so much, and of course I will see you on the next one. All right, bye.